Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to use or create isnotblank in Power BI. So there's no isnotblank DAX expression in Power BI, but we learn how to create one. So in this case, let's say for the sake of example, I've got this column called name. The first two values are not blank, so it should evaluate to true. Isnotblank should evaluate to true. This should evaluate to false. And then the last four should again isnotblank should evaluate to true. So let's try building that. Now I'll just select this table and just say quickly new column, and I'll say name is not blank, and this will have just two values. So if it is blank, it will give us false. If it is not blank, then it will give us true. So we'll use the isBlank function, and we'll just say name, and you can see now this is actually the exact opposite of what we were after. So the name, this first row is not blank, so it should be true. This should be true, this should be false, and the other value should be true again. So all you need to do is use the not. So we'll use not function and then just close it out and put this value we had in brackets, and you can see it just flipped the value. So 1, because this is not blank, this is correct. 2 is not blank, correct. This is blank, so is not blank, so this column is not blank is false. And then you can quickly find out which value is blank, but you could use it for other purposes as well. So just my intention to show you, sometimes you just want to use is not blank, which is not available out of the box. How do we go and build something like that? So I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Let me know if you would like me to take any specific topics. Cheers, bye.